Scored, right? You got a huge sack, interception, sealed the victory.
I mean, we had like an extra week to prepare for the game, so we knew it was gonna come out. I mean, the bone really isn't like a hard formation. It's just like you gotta know what you're doing in a situation. So we came out, we studied real hard all week, so victory.
One time to clear, and then like you said, freshman week impact. Our coaches trusted our teams, trusted us. We didn't have that. We didn't go out there and make plays like we do. They don't trust us when I'm playing.
Was it what you expected? This, the triple option.
I mean, it's what I expected, but it happened a lot more faster. Like you can't simulate what they're going to do in practice, but in that game it happened a lot more faster. We had to adjust, and when we did, we stopped to do what we had to do. We were on our assignments.
Joe, what did you think when you saw the ball leak there? I mean, it had just happened like in the last possession. Were you thinking, okay, again, we'll do this again?
I mean, I wasn't expecting that to happen. It happened so fast, but when I saw it, I jumped at my chin to score. When I grabbed the ball, I wasn't looking back.
But were you surprised that it happened
I was
again?
surprised. Totally surprised.
How did it feel?
It felt good. I was overwhelmed. I was happy. First of me a touchdown as a Hurricane.
Coach Rick said he talked to you about some comments this week being a freshman and all that.
Yeah, now I'm gonna correct myself on that. As me personally, I didn't mean like A+, like on myself. I did. I was thinking of the whole defense wide. That's what I was thinking about in my head. But I guess the question it kind of veered off a little bit. But no, I never brag about myself, man. I got great guys around me. I'm just a humble guy trying to just make an impact on a great defense.
How was that? The conversation, was it joking? Was it calling on the carpet? How
Wait, you talking about interview?
when Coach Rick talked to you?
He was like, yeah, you gotta watch what you say in the interview, things like that. Don't disrespect college football, which I felt like I didn't, but he felt like I guess he sees it differently. I respected what he said, so I just gotta honor myself, I guess.
Like you talked about the speed. When did it hit you like, whoa, this looks a lot different than what the scout team was doing this week?
I ain't gonna lie to you. The speed was slower to me. Because I mean, the repetition in my head, we got so much repetition in practice. Like what we practiced on, we didn't even have like linemen at line. We had like fullbacks and running backs at line, just shooting up the field. So it was way faster than me with the scout team. So when we got out there, man, I seen things slow down. I guess it was just an extra week, I guess.
So it sounds like the coaches did a good job there in preparing you guys.
Yeah, they do every week. We come in, we just do a great job. We simulate, we change things up based on the scheme, based on what we feel comfortable with. We came out there and did our job.
You just gotta be sharp, especially when you're playing a team like that. Let him give anybody to have the ball, and their quarterback can ship it. One guy, quarterback attack.